we've actually done a couple of things such as the crossbars, the roof baskets, as well as this really cool thing called the modular tire step, which you can see at the booth back there. It's actually pretty handy because you can use it for the vehicle to reach stuff on top of your roof. At the same time, you can just take it down and just set it to the side and use it as a standalone.
So this is a multifunctional wheel car step ladder. So it can actually be a wheel ladder, so you can actually just easily place it on your tire and then step on to get anything on the back of your trunk and just easily step down. You can easily also adjust the height over here because sometimes when you go like on road trip, the roads are uneven, right? So you can actually adjust it by simply pressing this in. This is the additional table. For people who want additional space and you want like a small kitchen, this is something that you can add it on. You can actually change it to an A-frame step ladder. You can actually just clamp this down, clip it on, and it's stable. It has 3 different multifunctional things is that we actually have an additional pole that links it up to the trunk, and then we will actually start promoting an add-on that probably some people actually feel the surface is pretty small. There's an additional table that you can actually add it on here. It's easily to just storage in your trunk. It goes with 3 different modes, so it's a new product that we're gonna launch next year.
I also noticed the tents that you guys have over there. What is that all about? Are you guys selling that as well?
Modular tent awning that we have that sticks out, that's green, that's the one that we will be carrying in a month or 2. And then that one is able to roll up all into a nice little carrying case on the top of your vehicle, and it's using the same material as our Kagu.
So it actually fits right into that casing, and then you can have a side tent like this.
You know what I noticed that you guys are different from other floor mats that I've seen is that you guys have that spider technology. Can you tell me a little bit more about what that is?
We call it Max Spider, and it's fibers on the bottom of the mat. And pretty much what it does, it keeps the mat from sliding around without having to dig into your carpet. You know, some of the other thing, other than mats, like if you have that material in there, you pull it up, it's gonna pull up the carpet with it. Max Spider doesn't do that.
We have 4 different floor liners. One is Kagu, our best seller. Another one is Tech. So it has like more grooves. It keeps the water inside, you know, the dirt's inside, and it's more easier to clean and has a more high-tech fillings. This one is an all-in-one piece. So it actually goes on the trunk and it stands on. Why? Because the Max Spider technology.
No one else does a carpeted liner. We're the only ones that do that. What it is it's able to trap messes inside and still give you the feel of a factory carpet.
Different colors as well. So it's also the same Max Spider technology, but then it has a really, you know, thick carpet, double twisted carpet feel, and it's custom color.
You guys got a roof rack for, I see, with a bike. Can you tell me a little bit more about what that is?
So the roof basket and the roof rack, those are two other additional things that we offer. And what's cool about the roof basket is that it is transforming. So you can actually pop it up really easily if you want a basket, and then you can just pop it down if you just want some kind of flat, transporting something flat, like a surfboard or something like that.
Very cool. All right, Tony, well, thank you so much for your interview, man. I appreciate you.
Thank you for stopping by.